किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी, किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी। मेरी जान उस दिन मेरे साथ होगी, मगर कब न जाने ये बरसात होगी। मेरा दिल है प्यासा, मेरा दिल अकेला, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ। मेरी महबूबा, मेरी तकदीर है तू मचल के सामने आ। मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ। मेरी महबूबा, Obla di di di, obla da da da, obla do do do, what to do?
Obla di dran, obla da da da, obla do dran, we love you.
नहीं याद कब से, मगर मैं हूँ जब से, मेरे दिल में तेरी मोहब्बत है तब से। मैं शायर हूँ तेरा, तू मेरी गजल है, बड़ी बेकरारी मुझे आजकल है, बड़ी बेकरारी मुझे आजकल है, मुझे आजकल है। जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ। मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ। मेरी महबूबा,
Corre, mustaquero, como te pasa, remucarredo, las Rebeca tengo, ya ne kahan se lo a gayi hai wo.
भला कौन है वो, हमें भी बताओ, ये तस्वीर उसकी हमें भी दिखाओ। ये किस्से सभी को सुनाते नहीं है, मगर दोस्तों से छुपाते नहीं है, छुपाते नहीं है। तेरे दर्द दिल की दवा हम करेंगे, न कुछ कर सके तो दुआ हम करेंगे, न कुछ कर सके
बरसात होगी, मगर कब न जाने ये बरसात होगी। मेरा दिल है प्यासा, मेरा दिल अकेला, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा।
चोरी नहीं की है तेरे संग यारा, चोरा चोरी नहीं की है।
चैन ले लिया मैंने बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके। दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके। बीच सफर में कहीं मेरा साथ छोड़ के, तुझको कसम है नहीं हो जाना दिल तोड़ के।
कैसे मैं बताऊं तुझे कैसा मेरा हाल वे, जीना मरना है सब अब तेरे नाल वे।
तुझको पा लिया तेरा इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके। दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके।
राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई। जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई।
राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई। जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई। आहा हा 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 हा, आहा हा हा हा।
इश्क के नाम से डर लगता था, दिल के अंजाम से डर लगता था। इश्क के नाम से डर लगता था, दिल के अंजाम से डर लगता था। दिल के अंजाम से डर लगता था। आशिकी वो ही मेरे साथ हो गई, आशिकी वो ही मेरे साथ हो गई। जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई।
आहा हा 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 हा, आहा हा हा हा। तेरे बिन कुछ नहीं भाता है मुझे, हर तरफ तू नजर आता है मुझे। तेरे बिन कुछ नहीं भाता है मुझे, हर तरफ तू नजर आता है मुझे, हर तरफ तू नजर आता है मुझे। जिंदगी
समाई दिल में मेरे धड़कन की तरह।
आँख रोए नाम पे तेरे सावन की तरह।
तू समाई दिल में मेरे धड़कन की तरह, धड़कन की तरह।
हर तरफ प्यार की बरसात हो गई, हर तरफ प्यार की बरसात हो गई।
जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई।
हा 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 हा। आहा हा हा हा।
राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई,
राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई।
जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई।
आहा हा 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 हा। आहा हा हा हा।
सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई। तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई। तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। तुमसे मिलकर ये जाना है होता क्यों दिल ये दीवाना है। तय कर लिया तुम्हें पाना है क्या प्यार है ये दिखाना है।
मेरे भोले सनम मेरे प्यारे सनम दीवाने सनम अनजाने सनम। बोले मेरा कंगना धीरे धीरे, बोले मेरी पायल धीरे धीरे।
ओ दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई।
ला 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 ला, ला ला ला।
हो हो आ हा हा हा। तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है। रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है।
मेरी यादों में तुम, मेरी बातों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम। बोले मेरी धड़कन धीरे धीरे, बोले मेरी तड़पन धीरे धीरे।
ओ बोले मेरी धड़कन धीरे धीरे, बोले मेरी तड़पन धीरे धीरे। तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे, पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे, पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे। तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई।
सन क्या कहती है, दीवाने दिल की धड़कन। सोना कितना सोना है, सोने जैसा तेरा मन। सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है, दीवाने दिल की धड़कन। मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा हीरो नंबर 1।
तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1।
मेरी तरह तुम भी कभी प्यार करके देखो ना। मेरी तरह तुम भी कभी प्यार करके देखो ना। चाहत का मुझसे सनम इकरार करके देखो ना। कितना मजा है, कैसा नशा है, कितना मजा है, कैसा नशा है, प्यार करके देखो ना।
मेरी तरह तुम भी कभी प्यार करके देखो ना।
प्यार दिल का सपना है, प्यार तुझसे करना है। प्यार के रंगों से आज अपने दिल को रंगना है।
आज तक जो कहना था आज तुझसे कहना है। दिल में अब छुपा ले तू, दिल में तेरे रहना है।
दिल ने कहा है, दिल ने सुना है, दिल ने कहा है, दिल ने सुना है, प्यार करके देखो ना।
मेरी तरह तुम भी कभी प्यार करके देखो ना। चाहत का मुझसे सनम इकरार करके देखो ना। इस तरह से देखो तुम सादगी बिखर जाए। आज मेरी आंखों से बेखुदी बिखर जाए।
चांद जैसे मुखड़े पर चांदनी बिखर जाए। जिंदगी के चेहरे पर आशिकी बिखर जाए।
तुमको पता है कितनी वफा है। तुमको पता है कितनी वफा है। प्यार करके देखो ना।
मेरी तरह तुम भी कभी प्यार करके देखो ना।
चाहत का मुझसे सनम
नशा है, कितना मजा है, कैसा नशा है, प्यार करके देखो ना।
मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करता, मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करता, मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करता। काश कोई लड़का मुझे प्यार करता, काश कोई लड़का मुझे प्यार करता।
मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करती, मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करती। काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती, काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती। मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करती, मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करती। काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती, काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती। वो बेचैन होती, मैं बेताब होता, निगाहों में उसकी मेरा ख्वाब होता। वो बेचैन होती, मैं बेताब होता, निगाहों में उसकी मेरा ख्वाब होता। शर्मा के वो लगती गले, रखता उसे पलकों तले। चोरी चोरी वो मेरा दीदार करती, चोरी चोरी वो मेरा दीदार करती। काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती। काश कोई लड़की मुझे प्यार करती।
मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करता, मुझसे मोहब्बत का इजहार करता। काश कोई लड़का मुझे प्यार करता, काश कोई लड़का मुझे प्यार करता।
दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका एक और नई वीडियो में। आज भाई आपका यहाँ पढ़ के दिखाऊंगे बुक, या जो भाई 11th की बुक है स्नैपशॉट इंग्लिश की। तो भाई आप तक पहला चैप्टर पढ़ कर बताओगे, सुनाऊंगा मतलब एक के बाद। देखो भाई पहला चैप्टर बताओगे। तो इसका पहला चैप्टर है द समर ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल वाइट हॉर्स। यू लिखा है राइटर इसका विलियम सैरोयान। पता नहीं भाई किस नाम है इसका अंग्रेज का। लो भाई स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। यह स्टोरी है भाई, दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट टू पुअर अर्मेनियन बॉयज हु बिलोंग टू अ ट्राइब whose hallmarks are trust and honesty। ले भाई स्टार्ट करा चैप्टर पढ़ना है। वन डे बैक थ्री इन द गुड ओल्ड डेज व्हेन आई वाज 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream. My cousin Morad, who has considered crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. Aram, he said. I jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. I couldn't believe what I saw. It was morning yet, but it was summer, and with daybreak not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. My cousin Morad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. Yes, he said, Armenian, it is a horse. You are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride. भाई दो पैराग्राफ हो गए पूरे। तीसरे पैराग्राफ। I knew my cousin Morad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake, but this was more than even I could believe. In the first place, my earliest memories had been memories of horses, and my first longings had been longings to ride. This was the wonderful part. In the second place, we were poor. This was the part that wouldn't permit me to believe that I saw. We were poor. We had no money. Our whole tribe was poverty stricken. Every branch of the Garokhalian फर्स्ट। ये भाई थोड़ा अजीब सा वर्ड समझ लीजिए था। इसका मतलब है एन अर्मेनियन ट्राइब फैमिली was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. Nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep us. Important of all, thought we were famous for our honesty. We had been famous for our honesty for something like 11 centuries. Even when we had been the wealthiest family in what we like to think was the world, we were proud first, honest next, and after that we believed in right and wrong. None of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. Consequently, even though I could see the horse so magnificent, even though I could smell it so lovely, even though I could hear it breathing so exciting, I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Morad, or with me, or with any of other members of our family, asleep or awake. Because I know my cousin Morad couldn't have bought the horse, and if he couldn't have bought it, he must have stolen it, and I refuse to believe he had stolen it. no member of the Grohalian family could be a thief. I stared first at my cousin and then at the horse. There was a pure stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one hand delighted me and on the other frightened me. Murad, I said, where did you steal this horse? Leap out of the window, he said. If you want to ride, it was true. Then he had stolen the horse. There was no question about it. He had come to invite me to ride or not as I chose. Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. For all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all. If you were crazy about horses the way my cousins Murad and I were, it wasn't stealing it horse. It wouldn't become stealing until we offered to sell the horse, which of course I knew we could never do. Let me put on some clothes, I said. All right, he said, but hurry. I leaped into my clothes. I jumped down to the yard from the window and leaped up into the horse behind my cousin Murad. That 22 के साथ 5 पैराग्राफ हो गए. That year we lived at the edge of town on Walnut Avenue. Behind our horse was the country, vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, and country roads. In less than 3 minutes we were on Olive Avenue, and then the horse began to trot. The air was new and lovely to breathe. The feel of the horse running was wonderful. My cousin Murad, who was considered one of the craziest members of our family, began to sing. He began to roar. Every family has a crazy streak in it somewhere, and my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of the crazy streak in our tribe. Before him was our uncle Khosrow, an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest mustache in the Saint Joaquin Valley. One of ये जो by Saint Joaquin Valley है, one of the long interior valley of California. कैलिफोर्निया की सबसे बड़ी वैली है. A man so furious in temper, so irritable, so impatient, then that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. That was all, no matter what anybody happened to be talking about. Once it was his own son Arak running 8 blocks to the barber shop where his father was having his mustache trimmed to tell him their house was now on fire. This man, Khosrow, sat up in the chair and roared. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. The barber said, but the boy says, your house is on fire. So Khosrow roared, it is no harm, I say. My cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of this man, although Murad's father was Zora, who was practically and nothing else. That's how it was in our tribe. A man could be the father of his son flesh, but that did not mean that he was also the father of his spirit. This distribution of the various kinds of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning of capricious and vagrant. We rode. My cousin Murad sang. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country where, at least according to some of our neighbors we belonged. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. At last my cousin Murad said, get down, I want to ride alone. If I Murad था भाई। ये देखो ये वो बंदा, इनको और से बैठे मुराद और से भाई कदर। Will you let me ride alone? I asked. That is up to the horse, my cousin said. Get down. Horse, you let me ride, I said. I shall see. He said, don't forget that I have a way with horse. Well, I said, any way you have with the horse, I also, for the sake of your safety. He said, let us hope. So get down. All right, I said, but remember you we got to let me try to ride alone. I got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, Wazira, run. जो भाई जो horse था उसका नाम था वजीरा. The horse stood on its hind legs, snorted, but and burst into a furry speed of that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed with the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. The sun was coming up. Now it's my turn to ride, I said. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Ride, he said. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move, kicked into his muscles. My cousin Murad said, what are you waiting for? You we got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. I kicked into the muscle for the horse. Once again I reared and snorted. Then it began to run. I didn't know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikaran Halabian, where it began to leap over vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then it continued running. My cousin Murad came running down the road. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I'll be near. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. That will we do, I said. Well, he said, well, either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. He didn't sound worried, and I knew that he did hide him and not take him back. Not for a while, at any rate. Where will we hide him? I said. I know a place, he said. How long ago did you steal his horse? This horse, I said. I suddenly भाई पानी पी कर पड़ेगा। एक मिनट में मिलते हैं आपसे। चलो भाई पी लिया पानी। It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Now until this morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said, of course not. He said, but if we are found out, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be Lias. All you know is that we started riding this morning. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fitavad Fatwajian. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. We began walking home. It wasn't easy. We had to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first, it wanted to run wild, but as I told you, I have a way with a horse. I can't get it to want to do anything I want it to do. Horse understand me. How do you do it? I said, I have an understanding with a horse. He said, yes, but what us? What sort of an understanding? I said, a simple and honest one. He said, well, I said, I wish knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse. You are still a small boy. He said, when you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. I went home to eat a hearty breakfast. That afternoon, my uncle Khosrow came to our house for coffee and cigarettes. He sat in the parlor, sipping and smoking, and remembering the old country. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro, and as he ran, who out of lonely line, who learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked, and then at last, sadly, he said, my white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it. My uncle Khosrow became very irritated and shouted, it's no harm. What is the loss of a horse? I haven't we are lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse? That may be all right for you, a city dweller, to say, John Byro said, but wait for my survey. What good a survey without a horse? Pay no attention to it, my uncle Khosrow roared. I walked 10 miles to get there, John Byro said. You have legs, my uncle Khosrow shouted. My left leg pains me, the farmer said. Pay no attention to it, my uncle Khosrow roared. That horse cost my $60, the farmer said. I spit on money, my uncle Khosrow said. He got up and staked out of the house, slamming the screen door. My mother explained, he has a gentle heart. She said it is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Morad's house. He was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the hurt wing of young robin which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. What is it? He said. The farmer John Byro. He said he visited our house. He wants his horse. You had it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. I will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Morad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. My cousin Morad leaned on to his feet. तो दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही भाई चैप्टर हो गया कंप्लीट। तो भाई और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।